my name is Jay-Sean Pearson, and today I'm going to teach you on why your kickflips are rocket when you're trying to kickflip. So the first step and the first thing you need to learn how to do in order to not rocket your kickflips, you need to level out your ollie first. So this is what that look like when you leveling out your ollie when you're trying to kickflip. So now that you got the ollie leveled out, the next step and the next move you need to actually do to actually level out your kickflips, you need to learn how to kickflip first and level out your kickflips. So this is what that look like when you level out your kickflips. So now that I showed you the ollie and the kickflip, the third step you need to learn how to do in order to level out your kickflip, you need to learn how to tweak your ollie. So this is what that look like when tweaking your ollie. So now that I showed you how to tweak your ollie, the fourth step you need to learn how to do in order to level out your kickflip, you need to level out your kickflip. So this is what that look like when leveling out your kickflip. So now that I showed you how to level your kickflips, the fifth step you need to learn how to do in order to not rocket your kickflips, you need to learn how to do this motion with your shoulders. So this is what that look like when you're doing this motion with your shoulders. If you do that motion, it will cause you to not rocket your kickflips. So if you add that motion to your kickflips, you will perform the kickflip the right way. And another thing that you need to do in order to not rocket your kickflips, you need to learn how to do this motion as well. So if you do that motion like I showed you with the board, you will perform the kickflip the right way, and you will not rocket it if you do it that way. So if you add all those tips that I showed you in this video, you will perform the kickflip the right way, and you will not have any problems after adding those tips that I just showed you. So if you find this tip helpful to you, don't forget to share it with someone else that might need this tip on trying kickflips and to not rocket their kickflips. So if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification button so you won't miss out on videos like this every week. Catch you in the next video.